In this question, we are given that a certain state's milk production was 980 million pounds in 2007. So, let's write down the information as we read the question. So, the production in 2007 is equal to 980 million pounds. And in 2014, the production was 2.7 billion pounds. We have to find out how many more million gallons of milk did this state produce in 2014 than in 2017. So we basically have to find the production of 2014 minus the production of 2017 in million gallons. So we basically have to find the difference, and we also have to change it into gallons. Now let's move on to step 2 and understand what unit conversions we have to use. We know that 1 billion is equal to 1000 million, and we are also 1 gallon is equal to 8.6 pounds. Now, keeping these two unit conversions in mind, we move on to step 3 and calculate. Now, we first calculate the difference of the production in 2014 and the production in 2007. Now, the production in 2014 is given in billions, whereas the production in 2007 is given in million. However, we know that 1 billion is equal to 1000 million. So we can write 2.7 billion pounds multiplied by 1000 million divided by 1 billion. Now this amount will be subtracted by 980 million pounds. So we are left with 2700 million pounds minus 980 million pounds. This gives us a total of 1720 million pounds. So the increase in state production from the year 2007 to 2014 is of 1720 million pounds. But now we have to change this into million gallons, which is given in the question. Now we know that 1 gallon is equal to 8.6 pounds. So we can write 1 gallon divided by 8.6 pounds will be equal to 1 pound. Now, substituting the value of 1 pound here, we get 1720 million pounds times 1 gallon divided by 8.6 pounds. Now the advantage of writing the units like this is you will know whether you are writing it the right way or the wrong way, because to get gallons I need to cancel pounds from the numerator and the denominator. So while converting the units, pound should be in the denominator. This way I know that I am doing the correct unit conversion. So this gives us 1720 divided by 8.6 million gallons. This gives us 17200 by 86 million gallons. Now 86 cancels 172 twice, so we get 200 in the numerator, and thus our answer is 200 million gallons, which is our option E.